Hello everyone, this is Yamin and welcome to Webtech Knowledge. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to hide comment in HTML or how to write comments in HTML. So that's actually really simple. So let's say over here, if we say over here, this is a comment. If we save it now and if we refresh, obviously we can see this line. And if you want to hide this comment, then what we need to do is that we need to give this arrow sign, then we need to give this not, then to minus sign. And here you can see this is comment out, but here you can see the body and HTML part is also comment out as well. So we need to close this. So in order to close this, we again need to give to minus and this arrow sign. So if I now save it and if I now refresh, here you can see the comment is gone. So the easiest way to do this is that you just write the comment and you just select it and then press Ctrl plus Shift plus slash, and it will automatically do this thing for you, and this line will be commented as well. If I refresh, here you can see the comment are gone. So normally why we use comment, so that we can understand our code really easily, or if someone else want to see our code or with our code, by reading the comment they can understand the code really easily. So this is all about comment. I hope this tutorial was useful to you, and I'll really appreciate if you subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next tutorial.